Good evening, students. Today we are going to talk about final accounts of a firm. When you say final account of a firm, it is a little bit similar to final account of a sole trader. When you talk sole trader, first they prepare trading account, then they prepare profit and loss account, and after that they prepare balance sheet. In case of sole trader, after trading, the outcome gross profit is transferred to profit and loss account. The outcome of profit and loss account is net profit, which is directly transferred to the capital account of the owner, and then they prepare the balance sheet. Okay, done. But when you talk about a firm, after calculation of net profit, the next work definitely remains distribution of profit. And for the purpose of proper distribution of profit, we prepare first of all profit and loss appropriation account, and with the help of profit and loss appropriation, with the distribution which we made in profit and loss appropriation, we prepare partner capital account. So these are the two new things which you need to prepare in case of a partnership firm. So partnership firm, first of all prepare trading account, outcome gross profit, that is transferred to profit and loss account. Then in profit and loss account, they calculate net profit, which is transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. In profit and loss appropriation account, what we need to do there? We need to prepare profit and loss appropriation account and distribute the profit between the partners. And after that, we prepare partner capital account to calculate the closing balances of capital account of all the partner, and at the end of the day we prepare the balance sheet. So trading account, you know how to prepare. Profit and loss, you already know. Balance sheet, that also you know. But you need to know about now profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. Today we will learn how to prepare profit and loss appropriation account. The next I am going to show you the format of profit and loss appropriation account. In case of profit and loss appropriation account, please give the heading in your notebook pro forma of profit and loss appropriation account. Then I am going to begin with that. मैं आपके सामने पहले pro forma draw करता हूँ, then we will begin with that.